Hey guys, what's up? This is Karan and you're watching Tech-Yes-Logy. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the latest GoPro, which is GoPro Hero 8 and Max. GoPro Hero 8 is the successor of GoPro Hero 7, which came out last year, and GoPro Max is the successor of GoPro Fusion, which came out last year. GoPro Hero 8 is the action camera and GoPro Max is the 360-degree camera. So firstly, let's talk about GoPro Hero 8. GoPro Hero 8 has built-in mounting clipping, which earlier GoPro Hero versions doesn't have. Well, GoPro Hero 8 is the upgrade version of Hero 7, so it's lighter than its previous version and has a better audio quality and a better slow-mo. It has one more feature, which is Hyper Smooth 2.0, which is an upgraded version of Hyper Smooth, which Hero 7 have. Hyper Smooth helps GoPro to make better stabilized video. It also has the feature which is Time Warp 2.0, which is the better version and the upgraded version of Time Warp, which comes on Hero 7. Now talking about Time Warp is nothing else, it's just a time lapse. Well, GoPro Hero 8 is waterproof, which can go up to 33 feet, and it can also click better HDR photographs. Well, now talking about the GoPro Max, which is a 360-degree camera. Well, this is the second time GoPro is launching its 360-degree camera. GoPro launched its first 360-degree camera, which came out last year, and it did well, and its name was Fusion. GoPro has made a better upgrade in 360-degree camera. Now let's talk about the features of this camera. Well, as it is the 360-degree camera, two 180-degree cameras, which is in the front and in the back. It also has a front-facing display. Well, to make a better 360-degree surround sound audio experience, GoPro Max has 6 mics in it. Well, this time GoPro has one more thing for content creators, or you can say especially for vloggers. Well, this time GoPro is giving the accessories which are called mods, in which you're gonna have one flip-on screen, one light, and one shotgun mic to make better vlogs. And also you can add one tripod, or you can say gorilla pod, but not for free. Let me talk about the prices of these gadgets. GoPro Hero 8 is $399 in America, and in India it is 36,500 rupees. GoPro Max has the price of $499 in US, and in India it is around 47,000 or 50,000 rupees. Well, if you want to buy a Hero 8 with mods, which are the accessories, it will cost you around $600, which might cost you above 50,000 rupees in India. So this is all about the GoPro Hero 8, Max and the mods. But the main question is it really worth it to buy these latest GoPros? See, if you have GoPro Hero 7, you can go with GoPro Hero 7. You don't have to upgrade it to Hero 8. Well, if you have money, you can go with any of them. But if you are upgrading from Hero 6 or 5, you can go with Hero 8. Or you want to buy your first GoPro and you don't have enough budget of 40,000 or 50,000, you can go with Hero 7 as well. Well, that is also a better option. Well, that's it about these latest GoPros. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and follow my page on Facebook and get connected with me on LinkedIn. Do like this video and share it, and also subscribe to this channel. Till then, goodbye. See ya.